Yo.
Hi guys, hi everybody. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I'm doing a small try on clothing haul. I have a little collection of clothing that I have from my many shopping trips. It's not the biggest haul ever. I was gonna try and save it up for a bigger haul, but then I was just like, you know what, I haven't filmed in a while, I haven't posted in a little bit, so I was like, you know what, just do the video now. And plus it's gonna be more work if I add more clothes to the haul, so I'd rather just do it now because I'm lazy. I'm gonna try it on. You guys are gonna watch it, and that's it. So enjoy the video. I'm unprepared, so let me get the clothes now. The first bag that's closest to me is from Hollister. If you haven't watched my horrible mall vlog, it's up here in the eye if I'm not lazy and I decide to put it in. It's up here, so go watch it because it's really bad. Every store that we went to, all the stuff was expensive, and we were broke, so. But this shirt that I got was $9, and it was really cute, and it fit me, so. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It has rose detailing on the sleeve, which is really cute, and up top it says Hollister, which is really cool. It's a size medium, and it was on sale, so I couldn't turn it down. I mean, it was cute. I found it on the sales rack, and this was my first ever purchase from Hollister because I've never gotten anything from Hollister until now. Hashtag Hollister fam. Next, from H&M, I got this skirt. I thought it was plaid, but it's actually hogsworth, bull's teeth. I don't remember, but it's that. And this is what it looks like. I really like it. I'm gonna be wearing this on the first day of school. I'm gonna do a first day of school get ready with me because I'm a YouTuber that's really basic, so get on my level. It was really cute. It was $13, well technically $12.99, but sister likes math. $13. It fits me really well. Thought I would need a medium, but this is actually or a small, but this is actually an extra small, but yeah, that's all I got from, yeah. And then next I got this pink and baby blue and white shirt. So I got this in the men's section. I really liked it because I've seen shirts like this. I've seen people get shirts like this at thrift stores, and I've seen it all, you know. But in some of my Pinterest boards, I was like, okay, this looks really cute, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is kind of like my Pinterest board. So I got this, and I'm gonna crop it because everything that I have now is cropped. It was $7 too, so it was originally $13, but it's $7. So, and it has a little palm tree on it, so that's really beachy, you know. Then I went to the mall with my other friend, and I got some stuff, but this wasn't from the mall. I went to a thrift store for the first time. It was called 2nd Avenue. I went into the men's section because, let's be real, women's clothes are kind of boring. I'm looking really bad. I apologize. But let's be real. The men's section always has the best clothes. The women's section, it's good sometimes. Men's section's where it's at. So I got this Lacoste shirt, which I looked it up. Their shirts are around $100, and I got this for $10. So what? It's bright yellow. It has a little alligator thing, but it's really cute. It has a collar. I really love yellow things on me. I found that out. But I'm gonna crop it, so it's gonna look really cute. Yes. Last place that I went to, or what I got stuff from the mall, it was from a store called Urban Planet. They had this sale that was everything in the store was $10 or less, and since I'm broke, I was like, oh my god, that's legit perfect for me. So I went in there, and I was probably in there for like 2 hours enjoying myself, even though I only got like 2 things. So first I got these shorts, and they were $10. Originally they were $25, but like out here making them deals. These shorts are like super comfortable. They're really nice and they fit me really well, and I like that the little ring thing, I like that a lot. So yeah, I needed more shorts anyways because all my shorts were like way too small for me, so these were like perfect. And then lastly, I got this dress that is, but I really like it, so I got it anyways, and I'm probably gonna like wear this for like special events where there's no family because, but yeah, it's a hog's tooth, Hogsworth, Hogsland, whatever it's called, hog's tooth, horse tooth, Hogsworth, I don't know, but it's another one of those dresses, and it's super cute. This is the front, and it has a nice little slit. It's really tight, which, well, like not tight in a constricting way, but like tight that shows off my, I was about to do this, but then I remembered you're a board, so don't get too full of yourself. I forgot one thing. I'll be right back. So the last thing that I have is I went to Foreman Mills, and you guys, I scored so hard. I got this 3X Reebok jacket. It's so big I can't fit it into the camera, but it is so cute. This jacket was maybe originally like $200, $100 or $200, around that, and I got it for like, I'm out of breath, I got it for $20. Sorry, this is what happened when you don't work out all summer. But yeah, it's super big. It covers my whole body, which body positivity. Gonna wear this to school and stuff. People are gonna be like really confused. I know people are. They're gonna be like, probably gonna like tease me for wearing this jacket, but like I don't care. I'm looking fly. You looking basic. You jealous. I don't think you're ready for this jacket. I don't think you're ready for this jacket. I don't think you're ready for this. My jacket's too delicious for you, babe. So don't. All right, you guys. So that's it for my small collective haul. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I worked really hard on this. Obviously, I totally wasn't blabbering the whole time, and I totally did not look busted at all this whole entire video. But thanks for watching. Thanks for giving me your views, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. This is actually very therapeutic and stuff, but see ya. Bye. Ew.
Yo.